Fidelity Investments tutorial. If you found value in this video, consider subscribing to the channel and drop a like. Step number 1 is to go to fidelity.com. Step number 2 is either to log in or to open up a free account. You've already created your account and it has loaded. This is basically what this is going to look like. You have different tabs right here. The positions tab, the balances, documents, planning, etc., etc. Okay, so one was these ETFs or mutual funds of the NASDAQ 100, top 100 tech companies, and the S&P 500 top right hand screen. Click here. Now basically we'll have a list of different ETFs here on the screen that we'll be looking up, which is the best. You choose, you can download this in the link down below. Okay, first one we're going to look up is basically here. Click right here and type in YBTC and then click enter. Okay, so this is considered a risk-off asset. It's basically Bitcoin, but it's a covered call and it's a strategy. Go under here where it says distribution and expenses. If you scroll down under here to these, there are distributions of the whole year as dividends. Because in Q1 of 2024, you would have gotten paid $7.27. And this other asset called, we're going to look up QQQ. This is a dividend as you go under distribution and expenses. It's a 0.2%. As you can see, the dividend paid right here. They're a little bit more of a consistent because this has been around for more than the other one or the previous ones that we're going to look up. And now you can go to this now. This is the hacker. This is the spreadsheet. I'm going to show you guys completely for free. As you can see here on the screen, this will go over a dozen ETFs filled up. As you can see, this is where it says to buy or to sell. You can create an alert. You can add this to your watch list, etc.